Hi guys, nice to meet you. This is AI with Orlando. So, stock waiting for the Manus AI agent invitation? Forget about waitlist. Right now, with this amazing tool, RootCode inside of Visual Studio Code gives you an autonomous AI agent available right now. Power your productivity. Yes, you heard it right. So, what is RootCode? Is your own very own AI powered browser assistant working inside of the Visual Studio Code. This is more for developers, but anyway, if you even not code people can use this like in a baby. I will show you in a bit how can use it. So this root code AI assistant, they don't need any virtual environments. No complicated setups, just real power directly in your auto browser. And is really supported with this amazing LLM model Cloud Sonnet 3.7. So check it out. What is the capabilities of this or using root code with your browser assistant? They can handle emails. It's possible that you specify tasks to the bot, create create and manage WordPress blogs. Also, they can perform keyword research in Google search or Perplexity AI. And also, it's possible that you can automate basically any browser task. Yes, you heard it right. So why Roadcode wipes the floor with Manus AI agent? First of all, because works directly in your browser even with your login in account. Yeah, this is a very nice touch. Also, you don't need probably zero code skill needed. Maybe you need a little bit to install this code and configure the plugin properly in order to work properly with your browser. This is more technical stuff, but it's not so hard. You know what I mean? Also, this is very good. There is no confinement by the virtual environment. There is very nice touch, like I said before, and also runs multiple tasks simultaneously. It's a productivity with steroids. Yeah, imagine that. So guess what? It's here and available right now. Just install Write Code extension Visual Studio Code, connect to the Google Chrome API, and you are good to roll. What that? You can multiply your productivity right now. Jump from waitlisted to installable with root code today. So right now, I will show you how we can use this amazing agent inside of the root code. You need to search here in the extensions, the root code. When you find out, you can install it and that is ready to go. After that, you can come back here and they will show you this icon for root code. You can click here. And besides that, you need to click here in order to configure the last level model that root code will be used, Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. And after that, you need to go a little bit down and search for the activation of the enable browser tool. And also you need to activate this feature, use remote browser extension in order to connect to your local browser instances. So after that, you click here, test connection, and they will test the connection and you see everything is already okay. But before that, you need to go to the command prompt of the Windows and you need to run this command in order to stabilize the connection between root code and your local browser instances. In this moment, I am working with the port 9222 as this is suggesting. When you click here the command, they will open up this instance of the browser. So after that, we can come back here again. You can here click done and I will try to search what is the performance of the stock of Tesla against NVIDIA this year. Let me open this to show the browser. You will see how the root code is controlling your locally instance of the browser. So we need to wait a little bit. I hope that you like it so much, this demo. Also, please subscribe the channel in order to give you continue more amazing information about it. You see, right now, the browser to check it out, the information. I can already accept the cookies in order to be more easy for the agent to look up the proper information. So right now, it's already affected. So we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now he figured out that I already click accept the cookies. So, okay, he's typing the comparison Tesla NVIDIA comparison. Let me see, check it out. That inside of the Yahoo Finance. Now he already clicked the menu to check it out, the stock comparison. They do the compare stock. Everything you see, I don't touch anything. Right now, it's the proper agent that doing everything the work. Amazing world that we live in right now in this AI era. Please write your comments. What are your thoughts about this kind of technology? And what are the possibilities that you can think about this kind of the AI agent? A browser agent. So he already, you see, sir, he already picked up the Tesla stock. So maybe I believe he will pick the another stock. You see, I click on the add stock button. They are looking at right now with the NVIDIA Corporation stock. Nice. You see, everything is doing in your local machine. There is no need any virtual machine or environment to do this. All you need is your Visual Studio Code, the installation of the root code extension inside Visual Studio Code. Maybe in another video, I can explain a little bit how can you configure this properly, everything from the beginning. But right now, I only want to show you a little bit how this can be, what is the possibilities of this AI browser assistant. Now he already grabbed all the information from the Tesla and the NVIDIA, and right now they are looking up for the result. You see, the AI assistant grab the proper information and give you all the information from comparison that these two stocks. I hope that you like it. Bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the button up because that will help a lot the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.